Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are staying safe and you all are staying indoors. This is the skincare routine video, as I asked you all that whether you want a question and answer video or you want a skincare video. So this is the skincare video. In this I'll be telling you all the things that I do to keep my skin hydrated, to keep my skin good, and all the other questions or all the queries that what product should be used or should we use that or not will be answered in this video. So let's quickly jump into the video. I'll tell you one basic step how to keep your skin glowing or how to keep your skin nice. The basic step is to keep your skin hydrated. When you keep your skin hydrated, 50% of your skin problems or your face that you have, your pigmentation or pimples or acne, anything will be gone if you keep your skin hydrated. And if you cannot remember what you or how much amount of water you had drank in a day, you can just keep a drinking water reminder that will remind you again and again in the time. Like I have the water reminder which reminds me after 1 hour that I have to drink this much amount of water. This is the drinking water app. You can download it, and my daily requirement of water that I have to drink is 1.26 milliliters. You can see this is the amount of water I have to drink every day, and I do complete. Okay, after telling you about the basic step that I follow for my skin, that is to drink loads and loads of water, I'll tell you what all other things I do to make my skin glowing and to take care of my skin. How the different products are used, or what are the different products I use to keep my skin hydrated. I do not use many products on my skin to keep the skin glowing or thing, because I personally think that there are loads of chemicals in that, so I don't do that. I make all the homemade packs or the remedies to do all the stuff. The one thing I swear by is I exfoliate my face once in a week. This is the thing I swear by. I do exfoliate my face once in a week by using baking soda, brown sugar and coconut oil. You can add any essential oil that you have. It's not necessary that you add coconut oil, but coconut oil does wonders for my skin, so I use that. I'll tell you how it is made. I'll leave it in the description box below. You can check what all ingredients I put in it to make the pack. I'll show you. I have the pack with me right now, and this is the pack. The consistency should be like this. It should like flow, and actually exfoliation does wonders for me, guys. It removes all my dead skin. It makes my skin look super fresh and glowy. Also, baking soda is really good for your skin. At least it does wonders for my skin. The one thing I will like to tell you, it's not necessary that if baking soda and coconut oil and brown sugar work for me, it will work for you the same way as it is. It's not at all important. Okay, so I already have besan and doodh mixed in it. I have mixed both of them. Like the consistency should be this. We'll add more things in it right now. I'll add different things in it. I have taken 3 tablespoons of besan and 3 teaspoons of milk. Okay, after this I will add gulab gel in it, and I swear by gulab gel. It's the best thing you can use, and it has no chemicals. Also, it is super fresh. So I'll just take gulab gel. Okay, mix the gulab gel properly in it. This is not an exfoliation pack. This is a normal face pack that I use if I don't want to exfoliate my face. This works like a face wash for me, to be honest, a homemade face wash. The next thing, I'll add some of the aloe vera gel. For aloe vera gel, I have my Patanjali aloe vera gel. You can use any aloe vera gel, but this aloe vera gel does wonders for me. So I'll just take this. Then in this face pack, I'll add my tea tree oil. I have the Body Shop tea tree oil with me, and I'll add some few drops of tea tree oil, like just some few drops of tea tree oil, because I actually love tea tree oil, and again it works for me the best. So I'll just add like 1-2 drops of tea tree oil is enough, I think. Oh, it smells delicious. Trust me, it smells delicious. Okay, so this is the another face pack I use. Whatever ingredients I've added in it, I'll leave it in the description box below. You can check it out and you can try it. So the consistency of the pack should be like this. And okay, I told you my exfoliation and my homemade face pack routines that I swear by. Now I'll tell you my night routine that I swear by. It includes 3 things. The first one is my Oriflame Royal Velvet cleansing milk, and the second one is my Oriflame Royal Velvet soothing toner. These are the 2 things I swear by. And while using cleansing milk, I massage my face by my face massager. You can even do it with your hands, or you can just dab it with your sponge or anything. But I like to do it with my face massager. After doing this, I wash my face. After cleaning with these 2 products, I wash my face with lukewarm water. Then I moisturize my face with 2 things. Again, my Patanjali aloe vera gel and my Lakme 9 to 5 day cream with SPF 20. This is the cream I use. And I just mix both of them on my palm and I rub it and I apply on my face. So this is the night routine. I'm doing my morning routine now. For morning, as soon as I get up, I drink a glass of lukewarm water with a pinch of salt. I have 200 ml of lukewarm water early in the morning as soon as I get up. With a pinch of salt, just a little bit. It does wonders for me. It makes my skin more clear and glowing. So you can try it out if you want. The next thing I do is I wash my face with Lakme Blush and Glow face wash or my Lancome Creme Radiance. These are the 2 face wash that I use. After cleaning my face, I moisturize my face. For moisturizing, I use 3 products. The first one is my Lakme 9 to 5 SPF 20 day cream. The another one is my Patanjali aloe vera gel. And then I have my Neutrogena Ultra Sheer sunscreen with broad spectrum SPF 100. So these are the 3 things that I use whenever I step out of the house. I need sunscreen on my skin. I cannot step the house without applying sunscreen on my face. Like, it's the thing I need every time. So when I step out of the house, I first apply the sunscreen and then these 2 products. So these are my skincare routines. I have showed you my morning routine. The basic step that I follow is to keep my skin hydrated. The exfoliation or the face packs that I use or any other face packs, there are thousands of face packs that you can use, that you can make at home. You just Google it or you can search it on Pinterest, as I do always. So yes, these are the things, and I think these are the basic steps that everyone should follow, like cleaning your face without using chemicals like face wash or something. You should try Basin and the homemade packs. They do wonders. Like, it's not necessary that you only try Basin. You can even try bread and milk. That also does wonders. You can even try lemon and sugar or tomato and lemon, papaya curd. These are the another face packs that I make for myself. And I try it like once in a month. I make one different face pack from the regular ones and I try it on my skin. I hope you all liked my skincare routine video. These are the things that I swear by when I do my skincare routines or the way I care for my skin. I hope you all give it a shot and you can just try it out. You can try another products also. Bye, take care, and I hope you all are staying safe. Bye bye.